Shares of On Semi soaring on a fourth quarter beat, although it did issue weaker than expected guidance. Our Deirdre Bosa takes a closer look at what's expected across the chip space on this earnings season. Hey, Dee.
Hey, good morning, Carl. Well, On Semi up more than 8% today, and chip stocks really have been the trade of 2024 so far. The SMH Semi ETF has returned nearly double that of the broader NASDAQ, and of course, NVIDIA continues to be the best performer of the Magnificent Seven. But as we head into the second half of earnings season, there's a bit of an unusual dynamic happening within the chip sector itself. Semi revisions, they have generally been weak. Both Intel's and AMD's first quarter outlooks, they lag street estimates, and this isn't true for the broader tech ecosystem. We've actually seen some huge EPS outlooks for the likes of Amazon, Meta, Microsoft. Here's a stat from Bank of America. This is the third straight quarter where the best bottom line revisions have been in consumer internet, advertising, software, and e-commerce related sectors. Chip expectations, meanwhile, they have run a lot harder. That's probably the problem. That's part of the problem, particularly for AI-related chip stocks. And even if an AMD threw a little cold water on those expectations, other tech outlooks, they bode well for the sector as a whole, and that's probably why the sector continues to perform. CapEx guidance, let's take a look. From the hyperscalers, Amazon, Microsoft, Alphabet could suggest another blowout year. Meta is expected to lead CapEx spend out of all of them as it builds out its own servers and hardware. Morgan Stanley updated their cloud CapEx tracker post results last week, now pointing to 26% year-over-year growth in 2024. That's up from 18% prior. Goldman Sachs writing, forward-looking commentary on Gen AI-related capital spending was consistently positive across all major U.S.-based hyperscalers. And all of that CapEx, it is bullish for ANET, AMD, Marvell, Broadcom, and yes, of course, NVIDIA, which reports later this month. One clue, guys, not a company we talk about a lot, but take a look at the chart. Monolithic Power Systems, ticker MPWR. It's a $30 billion chip company that reports on Wednesday. They produce components for NVIDIA GPUs, so we will see if its numbers can give us any clue for demand on NVIDIA and the rest of the chip sector, guys. Expectations, though, as we keep saying, sky high.